With the growth of AI requirements, there's also a growth in need of higher power density for the racks. This is also requiring more liquid cooling. Deployment of liquid cooling in hundreds of thousands of data racks require speed, reliability, and also cleanliness. With the CoolTrain from Danfoss, we're actually able to offer a pre-assembled solution which can ensure a fast deployment and fast connection. This is ensuring that you get connection from TCS loop down to the data rack. The pre-assembled CoolTrain from Danfoss is pre-assembled, it's cleaned, it's filled with PD25, and it's delivered sealed. This is ensuring no contamination of the cool plates inside the data racks. Danfoss CoolTrain, again delivered pre-assembled, is ensuring a reliable installation and also no leakage in the data center racks. With the CoolTrain, we can level up liquid cooling with the Smart Flow. Please visit us at the MCE Fair, Hall 11.